Hey, what's up guys, Phil here, and today I'm going to show you how to change the engine air filter in the 2010 Honda Civic. While this process should work for Honda Civic model years 2006 to 2011, which are 8th gen Civics, attempt this repair at your own risk, as I cannot guarantee your safety nor that it'll work for you. This is the replacement air filter I'll be using from Fram. It's the ExtraGuard CA10165. And the service life of this filter is 12,000 miles or 20,000 kilometers. The filter itself comes in a plastic tray, and the back left corner is cut on an angle, making it impossible to mess up the orientation. The instructions for installation are on the back of the box, and it's pretty simple and straightforward. To install it, first pop open the hood on your car. Now locate the engine air filter compartment and unclip the 4 snap latches, 2 in front and 2 on the right. Pull the cover up and forward gently to remove it. This is my old filter, and it simply lifts out of the compartment. Now all you have to do is drop in the new filter and close the cover. Pay close attention to the tube at the back of the cover, because this needs to fit inside the rubber hose. Make sure it's completely seated before closing the 4 clips to lock the cover back in place. And that's it. We've successfully changed the engine air filter for about $15 and 2 minutes of work. That's a much better deal than the $54 the dealership wanted to charge me for the same service. I'll put a link to the air filter I used in the description below, which is available on Amazon and other retail stores like Walmart. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks to help you fix things yourself at home.